Question 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field, and three-fourths of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Half of a herd of deer. Herd of deer means group of deer. Collective nouns you could have learnt in English, no children. Group of people called crowd. A group of birds are called flock. That is flock of birds we say like that. Group of deer we say herd. Herd of deer. Herd of deer. So half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field. Grazing in the field, that is eating grass, and three-fourths of the remaining are playing nearby. The remaining three-fourths of the remaining deer are playing nearby. The rest, apart from this remaining, rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So, what is the total number of deer? So, here let's take the total number of deer be x. Total number of deer be x. We don't know what is that. Even half of a herd of deer only it is given. Is it or not? So let's take the herd itself be x. Let the total number of deer in the herd be x. Half of herd of deer grazing in the field mean half, that is 1 by 2 of half of 1 by 2 of into herd of a deer. Herd of a deer only we have taken as variable x, that is x here. Half of herd of deer 1 by 2 of multiplied by herd of deer is variable x. Grazing in the field. So when you simplify this 1 into x, 1x, that is x by 2. So x by 2 deer grazing in the field. Then remaining, and three-fourths of the remaining. Three-fourths of the remaining mean first let's find the remaining. Total number of deer x, and from this half of the deer grazing in the field. So from this total, if you take away this grazing field, you can get the remaining. So x minus x by 2. How can you simplify? The hiding denominator 1, x by 1. If you take like that, then you can take the denominator as usual 2, the denominator 2, then multiply. Cross multiplication we can do here shortly. 2 into x, 2x minus, you are hiding denominator 1, 1 into x, x. 2x minus x is the numerator, denominator is the same here, the same denominator. So 2x minus 1x is x by 2. So the remaining herd of the deer is x by 2. But what did they give? Three-fourth of the remaining. So three-fourth, 3 by 4, three-fourth of multiply by the remaining what? X by 2 equal to, we are simplifying. We cannot divide the numerator and denominator by common factors. So just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. 3 into x, 3x by 4 into 8, 4 into 2, 8. So 3x by 8. That is three-fourth of the remaining are playing nearby. So 3x by 8 deer playing nearby. Then number of deer drinking water from the pond, that is 9. So in a group, one group is grazing in the field, and three-fourth of the remaining playing, and one more 9 are drinking water. So these all together only herd of the deer, that is x. So now what did they give? According to the question, total number of deer, that is x, equal to that total group of deer, they separated into small group. That is first group. First group grazing the field, grazing in the field. Half of a herd of deer grazing in the field, that is x by 2 deer grazing in the field, plus remaining three-fourth of the remaining playing, the 3x by 8 group of deer playing nearby, Then 9 are drinking water. So this is what required equation. Now we are going to simplify this equation. So as usual, what do we do, children? We will bring the x terms one side, then constant term another side. So already left hand side x alone there. So let's bring from right hand side this x by 2 and this 3x by 8 because both are x terms. So let's bring to left hand side. This plus x by 2, when you bring it becomes minus x by 2. And this plus 3x by 8, when you bring to left hand side, it becomes minus 3x by 8 equal to constant term just 9, it is there right hand side. Now we have to simplify this because all are x term. Is it or not? This is x term. Here second one x term, third one x term. So to simplify this, x by 1, the hiding denominator 1. X by 1. So now let's take LCM of the denominators. 1, 2, 8. If you take LCM of 1, 2 and 8, you get 8 only. So first denominator x by 1, no children. So hiding denominator 1. With 1, what to be multiplied to get the denominator? I mean that LCM 8 with 1. 8 only to be multiplied. So 8 into x, 8x. The LCM which we found, that is the denominator 8. And the first numerator, how are you getting? Here x by 1, the denominator 1 with 1. What to be multiplied to get 8? 1. Sorry, 8. What to be multiplied with 1 to get 8? 8 only. 1 8s are 8. So with that factor you multiply x. 8 into x, 8x minus, here the denominator 2. With 2, what to be multiplied to get 8? 4. 2 4s are 8. With that factor 4, you multiply the second numerator. 4 into x, 4x. That is minus, this minus 4x. Then again minus here. Then with 8, what to be multiplied to get 8? 1. 8 ones are 8. So with that 1, you multiply the numerator 3x, you get the same 3x. 1 into 3x, 3x. So now, I mean the numerator can be simplified. 8x minus 4x minus 3x, that is 8 minus 4 minus 3. If you simplify this, you get 1x, that is 1. 8 minus 4 minus 3. I mean 8 positive you take out, then minus 4 minus 3 both are negative, add, you will have minus 7. 8 minus 7, 1. So 1x, that is x by 8 equal to 9. Then you send this 8 to right hand side, it becomes multiplication. So x equal to 72. So the total number of deer in the herd is 72.